My name is Andreas Zanner. I'm a partner with CMS in Germany. I think there is an increasing demand to use digital PR, in particular LinkedIn serves as a platform to reach investors and allowing companies to tailor messages to potential investors to interact with them. I wanted to increase my influence via LinkedIn and other social media. The second issue was that we had a joint podcast to reach my peer group. I had a one-on-one workshop regarding how to create posts on LinkedIn and how to use the platform more effectively. And secondly, the possibility for me via a podcast to explain to potential clients how an IPO works. And a lot of, in particular, investment bankers, they found it remarkable that I increased my activity on the social media, and they found it very interesting. I gained new contacts due to my post on LinkedIn. You always listened to me and asked the right questions to find out what I need. You were really good in explaining everything in an understandable way, since I'm no tech nerd, so to speak. So it was, I learned a lot. The new media, this I think is one of your key issues, to use the new media. We have a new generation of investors, and it's very important to use digital PR. I would strongly recommend Unicorn because of this different approach, as I mentioned, via social media. I think it's very important for companies to go public, but also prior to an IPO. I really appreciate this new approach via digital PR.